رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي امري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي وزدني علما in Islam and everyone welcome back to my channel. This is the four cases where the letter is raw is read, light, tarqiq, learn subject, and learn for a situation in which the letter raw must be pronounced with the light like tarqiq sound and understanding the correct tongue position. Okay, so what is tarqiq? Tarqiq means 1 minute. वो पी ले तू चुप करके. Tarqiq means pronunciation is a letter with a light, thin, and a soft sound, and the back of the tongue remain low and producing no heaviness in the pronunciation. So, what in this case when raw has a kasra? When raw has a kasra carries, so it is always pronounced light, like rizq. Fir'aun. So the example of that, the raw re. So the kasra directly on the raw light, okay, like lam. So the second case where when raw has sakun and before letter the previous letter has kasra, if the raw has sakun and the letter immediately before it has a kasra, then the raw is read lightly like Fir'aun and Mirya. So kasra like before the second raw is light, so we read raw is a tarqiq way. So the third case is raw has the takun preceded by another sakin and sakin letter and which is the preceded by kasra. Sometimes there are two consecutive and consecutive silent letters. If the first letter silent is preceded by the kasra, the raw is remain light pattern like kasra sakina letter and the sakin raw. So the kasra still influences that the pronunciation making the raw is light like this and like khair like this. The the fourth case है raw has a sakun and it proceed by yalin. And if sakina raw comes the ya and the raw is pronouncing like lightly like khair and sair. So the ya lane before sakin raw is the raw light. Okay, correct tongue position to produce a light draw correctly and keep the back of the tongue low and let the tongue rest naturally on the lower jaw. Only the tip of the tongue touches and the articulation point avoid rising the back of the tongue. Don't trap the sound in the mouth. So the common mistake number one is making every raw heavy. That is the big mistake because when raw has kasra raw producing lightly. Okay. Number two is rising the back of the tongue. Number three is producing raw like the fhim and confusing tarqiq with the fhim. So the teacher tips we have read slowly at first. पहले आप आराम आराम से पढ़ें. नंबर 2 प्रैक्टिस ईच रूल सेपरेटली. अलग अलग रूल को जो है ना प्रैक्टिस में ले. कंपेयर हैवी रॉ एंड द लाइट रॉ एंड हेयर द डिफरेंसेस. आप कंपेयर दोनों रॉ को पढ़कर और उनके डिफरेंसेस को देखें कि आपसे कैसे पढ़ा जा रहा है. Listen carefully to skill and Quran recitation and imitate the correct pronunciation. So, Tarqiq इम्पोर्टेंट है इसके अंदर लेसन के अंदर। लाइट रॉ को प्रोनाउंसिएशन को कैसे पढ़ना है, खसरा कहाँ कहाँ यूज हो सकता है, लेन के साथ या लेन के साथ या सकून के साथ, टंग पोजीशन आपने कैसे रखनी है, रॉ के लाइट पढ़ने में तजवीद एंड मखरज का इसमें क्या काम है। So the summary is the letter raw is produced light in a four main situation. Number one is raw has kasra. Number two is raw has sakun, and previous letter raw has kasra. And the raw has sakun proceed by another second letter, which is proceed by kasra. Ra has sakun and is preceded by yali. So the correct tongue placement is essential, and keep the back of the tongue low and allow the tip of the tongue touch the articulation points. Important notes with the next lesson. Okay, thank you so much for watching this short video. Allah Hafiz, jazakumullah khair.